everyone. With a cup of hot smiles, golden glory is in the air. Honorable Principal, most respected teachers, Gregorians and all the viewers. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this most awaited, beautiful Teachers' Day. None of us can deny that mother gives birth, but a good teacher gives life. So to acknowledge the efforts by our teachers, we are here with a rainbow of programs to express our heartfelt gratitude for them. So to begin with, Kanak of class 9B for a solo dance performance.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, हमें हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, हमें हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
You are a great principal who deserves grandest of celebrations. So let's welcome with a huge round of applause for the one who neither cares day nor night when it comes to quality education for students, our father, honorable father, Regis Valkis.
Respected teachers, Vice Principal Madam, Headmistress Madam, and my dear boys and girls. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day in commemoration of 132nd birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President and second President of independent India. On this occasion, we pay a floral tribute to him. He was a great scholar, eminent leader, and a relentless educationist. This is equally a great day for us, as we all are eagerly waiting for this particular day, because we all are acknowledged for the service to the nation what we are doing. Being teachers, we are proud of our profession. I use this platform to wish all teachers of the nation, and especially of our school, a happy and memorable pedagogical experience ahead. At this hour of pandemic, you kept your head high and steadily continued with the dharma of teaching undeterred by the challenges of lockdown. I salute you on behalf of students, parents, and management for the silent contribution that you bestow in shaping the society. For centuries, teachers played a vital role in constructing a healthy society. The growth of a nation or society depends on the quality of teachers it has and not on the quality of infrastructure or technology. A directionless teacher is as catastrophic as that of nuclear bomb, but a good and innovative teacher is better than 1,000 stars. Teachers leave a deep mark in the mind and heart of students both positively and negatively, and it cannot be erased. According to Nikos Kazantzakis, ideal teachers are those who use themselves as bridges over which they invite their students to cross. Then, having facilitated their crossing, joyfully collapse, encourage them to create bridges of their own. The present challenges for teachers is not that of imparting knowledge, but to facilitate learning to each student in such a way that they may become more creative, self-reliant, motivated, and humane in nature. In this present era, technology will play a vital role in arriving at the pedagogical outcomes. So teachers had to be mentally sound, technologically strong, physically fit, and knowledge-wise proficient to keep up the pace of changes. I strongly believe in teachers. They are the dawn of our future. They will withstand all challenges and move ahead of their time. Before concluding, I may quote the Nobel laureate Malala Yousafzai, and I quote, "One book, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the world." May God bless all teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
A teacher reflects eternity and brings out best in students. So let's welcome Nazmeen Khatun of class 12A for a wonderful speech on Teachers Day.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is a teacher. A very good morning to all, respected Father, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, my all beloved teachers and dear friends. This is Nazmeen Khatun of class 12A here, and it is an honor for me to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion, as today we celebrate Teachers Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. So let us take the opportunity to convey our heartfelt wishes to all our loving teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us, carving us, adding value to our character and making us ideal human beings by their tools of knowledge and affection. Today's day, that is 5th of September, is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who, along with being a successful leader as the President of our country, was a scholar and an exemplary teacher. Dear teachers, you are the guiding steps in this big chaotic world, and encapsulating so many tireless years of efforts of my teachers into a few minutes speech is indeed a daunting task. Without a mentor over our heads, a guide to distinguish right from wrong, we all will be bodies without spirits. No amount of thanks can ever be enough for what you do for us students. I must say that I remember those stars and smileys that I used to get on our notebooks when we were in lower grades had given us tremendous joy and happiness that lasted for so many days. Those excellence and outstandings were a source of real joy that would last for a lifetime now. On this occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to express my humblest gratitude towards my teachers who have taught me, supported me, and always encouraged me to go for things that seemed impossible to me. I'm afraid that had they not seen potential and believed in a frail and timid child, I would not be standing in front of such a large audience. I can proudly say that what I am today is just because of my wonderful teacher. In the end, I would like to conclude by saying that those who educate children are more to be honored than those who produce them. For these only gave them life, those the art of living well. Thank you.
Kids have gone out and everybody is eager to sink into the depth of music. So let's welcome Ishita Upadhyay for a song performance.
गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरी चरण में तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा। गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरी चरण में तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा। तेरी कृपा से श्रद्धा के फूल, तेरी कृपा से श्रद्धा के फूल क्षण क्षण प्रफुल्लित रहे सदा। गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरी शरण में तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा। गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरे चरण में तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा। गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरे चरण में तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा। गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरे चरण में तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा। तेरी कृपा से श्रद्धा के फूल, तेरी कृपा से श्रद्धा के फूल क्षण क्षण प्रफुल्लित रहे सदा। गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरे चरण में तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा। गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरे चरण में तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा। तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा। तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा।
Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and thought has found words. So here's Ashit Tiwari of class 11A for his soothing words.
People say he is formless, but for a change they are wrong. A very warm and pleasant good morning to everyone. I am Ashit Tiwari of Standard 11th A from MGM Higher Secondary School, Bokaro. Today I would like to share my thoughts and my emotions which I have tried to pour in a few lines of my poetry about that form, our teachers. A mother she appeared to be, a friend is what she became. A mother she appeared to be, a friend is what she became. But finally I realized a teacher she was. No other relation could ever be the same. She seemed pretty fond of pigeons. She nurtured them as if they were known since eons. And then, without even the slightest disenchantment, she sets them free to fly across the roseate skies under the scorching sun. Quite conspicuous in her eyes says the satisfaction that kills. Quite conspicuous in her eyes says the satisfaction that kills. 100 dreams she had. 100 dreams she had. 1,000,000 dreams she fulfilled. 100 dreams she had. 1,000,000 dreams she fulfilled. Thank you.
The words were really awesome, Ashi. Of course, 100 dreams she had and millions dreams she fulfilled. Thank you so much for your poetry. Multitasking educational rock star who lives to encourage and loves to aspire. So let's welcome our most beloved, our Vice Principal Ma'am, Ms. Prabha Anthony Yadav, for her message on Teachers' Day.
Good morning, teachers. Today is a special day for appreciation of teachers and include celebration to honor them for their special contribution. Happy Teachers' Day to all. We are not only a teacher, we are a friend, a philosopher, and a guide, all rolled into one. Dear teachers, thank you for inspiring hope in children, igniting the imagination, and instilling love of learning. Being a teacher is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and the future of the students. I have always felt that the true textbook for the pupil are their teachers, and at present, in this COVID period, the pain what you are taking to educate the students without the textbook on having online classes is very much appreciable. Thank you.
We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for hopes. We are the dancers, we create the dreams. So let's have a big round of applause for the students of class 11 for a group dance performance that is given by Sneha Jethwa, Shriyanka Giri and Astha Rai.
को हमारे तुमने तराशा, आँखों में झांकी तुमसे ही आशा, इरादों के बस्ते तुमने भरे, मुट्ठी में ख्वाबों की जुगनू रखी, गम छुपा के अपने खुशियों का पता दिया, कर्ज ये हम कैसे चुकाएंगे भला। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। क्लासरूम जब गुम थे खोली तुमने ही खिड़कियां, वेलकम जिंदगी को हमें करना सिखा दिया। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया।
रोशन करते वो, कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी।
Teachers can change the lives with just a right mix of chalk and challenges. So let's welcome Shashank Shekhar of class 12 for his message on Teachers Day.
Good morning to everyone. Respected Father, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Teachers are a very integral part of our lives and we are in a debt of their countless efforts and hard work they do for us. So I, Shashank Shekhar of class 12A, am here to present a speech on Teachers Day. The date 5th September is marked as the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and thus today we celebrate Teachers Day on his commemoration. Students like us across the world celebrate this day with a lot of happiness and joy. We all present gifts and sweets to teachers as we all respect them for the hard work they do for us. Teachers teach the entire day and neglect everything in their lives just to ensure that their students achieve something in their life and reach great heights. Dear teachers, after parents, you are the only guru who taught us to distinguish between right and wrong, made us literate, taught us well, and inspired us to move forward. Rather, it would be more correct to say that teachers are more than parents. Parents gave birth to us, but you taught to live life in the right way. Without your knowledge, it would have been not easy. Rather, I would say, it would have been impossible to solve the difficult riddles of this life. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and make them ideal citizens of the country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development and well-being of the students and nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession. And amid these dark COVID times, which has left us students clueless on what awaits us, our teachers got out of their comfort zone of blackboard and classroom to adapt to distance learning just to ensure that we students are on the correct path. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate and inspire to become better people. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into this society. At last, I would like to quote one of our greatest teachers, Sir APJ Abdul Kalam. The role of the teacher is like the proverbial ladder. It is used by everyone to climb up in life, but the ladder itself stays in its place. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. At last, Happy Teachers Day. We are always grateful to have you. Thank you everyone.
Every artist dips his brush in his own soul and paints his own nature into the pictures. So let's have a look at some of the pictures prepared by the students of MGM. Medha, class 11 group 2 bio section, Sneha Jetwa, class 11 group 3 alpha, Ravi Verma, class 9E, Nikhil Raj, class 9B, and Kritika Ritolia, class 7C, and Priya Soni, 9F.
As the saying goes, being one is the highest privilege and having one is the best blessing. So I wish you all a happy Teachers Day.
You're a great principal who deserves grandest of celebrations. We celebrate you not because it's courteous, but because we sincerely wish to see you smile on your special day. Happy Teachers Day, Father. मुस्कुराता हुआ गया हूँ, कलम अपनी यहीं छोड़ गया हूँ. एक नया भारत तुम भी लिख देना, उतनी स्याही छोड़ गया हूँ.
No matter where I go, every time I look back on this road, you'll always be a part of who I am. Everything I've known, every seed of greatness you have sown, through good and bad, your love has watched me grow. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You carry it everywhere in my heart. You will always stay in this moment. Let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay in this moment. Let me say you turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams are away with you.
शायद हमारे साथ वो भी अपना बचपन जिया करते थे. वो अपने सपनों को हमारे साथ एक नई नींव दिया करते थे और सालों के तजुर्बे को एक मुस्कान में ढाल दिया. अपनों से बढ़कर प्यार दिया, एक नया आत्मसम्मान दिया, हर गलती को सुधारने का मौका दिया, हर जीत पर हम पर नाज किया. शायद भगवान ने हमें गुरु के रूप में वरदान दिया. Happy Teachers Day. So on this Teachers Day, I pay my sincere regards to all the teachers who have made a difference in our life. No words can truly describe their efforts. It's Gayatri Jetwa of class 10A signing off for the day. Once again, a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers and all the viewers.